Hi. So, if you're not living under a rock, you must be aware that the NEET PG Round 1 branch allotment results are out, and you might be wondering that what did I choose at a rank of 98. So, if you were thinking on the terms of top branches like radio, Dharma, or even medicine, then I am sorry to burst the bubble, but I didn't choose any of them. So, what did I choose? How did I choose it? And most importantly, why did I choose it? So, I will be letting you guys go through my journey of brand selection, or our journey, I'd rather call it, now that we are a family. And to be honest, it was not at all an easy decision to choose between stethoscope, scalpel, and high tech machines. Now let's go back to the day when the NEET PG results were announced, and finally when the feeling of securing a two-digit rank had sunk in, and after hopping in almost every possible corner of the house, the next thought honestly that came to my mind was, am I supposed to take radiology now because a lot of rankers opt for it and it's quite in demand? So the well-wishers around me, they suggested me that I should be exploring the other options before I finalized on the one that I already had in mind. And that seemed to be a pretty genuine advice. And I had to become Dora the Explorer for the next few days. And I started to talk to doctors working in government hospitals, in private hospitals, in private setups, residents. So basically, everybody who I could get in touch with. And I got a lot of insights on every branch, and I will be sharing them with you. So, now let's start off with the big hot shot branch, radiology. So, yes, it's true that radiology offers you a good work life balance, and it's less exhausting when compared to the clinical branches. Less exhausting in the sense that you don't have to move around a lot, you don't have to run around a lot. I wouldn't say that it's chill, but less exhausting, yes. Okay. And the most appealing point about radiology to me was that it's a very integrated field wherein you get to have knowledge on almost all the 19 subjects, and you have to be very well read to be a radiologist because your eyes see what your mind knows. So, in order for your eyes to see it, your mind should know stuff. So you have to read a lot being a radiologist, and that was one of the most appealing points, and that was one of the points that was very hard for me to exclude radiology. But I excluded radiology because it offers you less patient interaction, and because it's a diagnostic branch, it does not involve a lot of treatment part, and because I've always imagined myself as the treating face of the doctor for the patient, it would have been very difficult for me to work at the back end. Also, I want to share a very unique and a different perspective that I got to hear from one of the doctors. She told that you get to have a very glamorous life in radiology, wherein you get to grow your nails, unlike other clinical branches wherein you cannot. So I was like, "Hanji, mama, baat to sahi keh rahe ho." So that was, very fun to listen to, and it was amazing to listen to all these different perspectives. Now coming to Dharma, so I had excluded Dharma because when I was preparing, Dharma was a subject which never intrigued me a lot. Interest कह लो, passion कह लो, that could not develop for Dharma. तो इसलिए मैंने Dharma के लिए ज़्यादा भागदौड़ नहीं करी. Coming to surgical branches. Now, even though I like anatomy a lot, but to be honest, for me specifically, khade rehna, to be standing for very long was something that I felt was very exhausting. And in internship also, cutting, suturing, bandaging was something, which did not interest me a lot. तो मेरे लिए उतना it was not very passionate for me to go towards the surgical branches, so that is how I excluded surgery. And now coming to medicine, so yeah, medicine is something which is very similar to the branch that I chose, and I think it's a time for the big reveal. I chose MD Pediatrics, and I'm going to be telling you why. So after internship, I was very, very clueless about how I'm gonna go ahead in life, what I want in life. And most importantly, I did not have any motivation to start studying for NEET PG. Most of my friends had started preparing for NEET PG 2023, and here I was trying to figure out कि अब मुझे क्या करना है life में. And also, I could not find a reason कि मैं क्यों इतनी challenging journey के through जाऊँ to not know where I want to be at. Okay, मुझे destination ही नहीं पता जिसकी मैं उस journey को क्यों करूँ. So it was very difficult for me. तो एक हफ्ता गया ऐसे सोचने में, and I just could not study. So I decided कि I want to be applying for jobs and I wanted to explore some stuff before I really decide to prepare for NEET PG. So luckily I got into one of the government hospitals, as I've already told before, and I worked as a non-acad JR in pediatrics department for 7 months. And there I fell in love with pediatrics. And how I fell in love with pediatrics. So I loved dancing with them. I loved running around with them. It was so joyful to be a kid again with them. So somewhere deep inside my heart, I really wanted to relive that innocence. And I think I still have room to learn to be more patient, to be more empathetic, because pediatrics teaches you that as a person. Okay, like it helps you a lot in your personality development. It molds you as a person. So apart from the academics, I really wanted this in the next 3 years. I really wanted to grow as a person. So I feel no other branch does this better than pediatrics. Also, it's a very integrated branch wherein you just don't treat the kid, you treat the whole family. You have to counsel the parents, and you have to make them comfortable bringing their child to you. So they have to put in a lot of trust in you. So you have to build that trust, right? And obviously the branch is very sensitive and you have to be very vigilant. There will be a lot of sleepless nights because you have to be on your toes to monitor the kid, because the children are like that. They recover also very quickly and they deteriorate also very quickly. So you have to be on your toes, you have to be very vigilant, and I think that I'm ready to pay the price. And seeing that smile on that pure little face is something which is unmatched. Now talking about the practical aspect of the branch, because I think that I've spoken a lot on the emotional aspect of it. So pediatrics, I feel, is a very versatile branch which opens up a lot of doors for you. You can opt for adult DM अगर आपका बच्चों से मन भर गया है तो. You can opt for pediatrics DM अगर आपका अभी भी बच्चों से मन नहीं भरा है तो. You can settle as a general pediatrician अगर आपका पढ़ाई से ही मन भर गया है तो, and you're like कि बस मुझे और नहीं पढ़ना, because pediatrics is relatively an end branch. Now I want to share a very interesting incident with you. So I knew that I'm going to be a pediatrician before I even knew what pediatrics is. And how is that even possible? So in class 8th, our class teacher was asking everybody, what do you want to become when you grow up? So everybody was saying कि हमें डॉक्टर बनना है, हमें इंजीनियर बनना है, हमें पायलट बनना है. And me being me, बनना तो मुझे डॉक्टर ही था. But I wanted to sound cool and different. So I asked one of my friends कि तू बता कि मैं क्या बोलूँ. So she told कि peds बोल दे. And I was like, what is peds? And she told कि peds is बच्चों का डॉक्टर. So I was like, ठीक है, यही बोलूँगी मैं. So when my turn came, I told ma'am that ma'am, I want to become peds. And ma'am asked me what is peds. Then I told her, ma'am, peds is बच्चों का डॉक्टर. And at that point of time, I had no clue कि peds is pediatrics, pediatrics is बच्चों का डॉक्टर. So after that, this incident completely vanished from my brain. On the day of the choice locking, to be very honest, I was a bit skeptical of my decision. मैं थोड़ा सहमी हुई थी because I knew कि not a lot of top rankers opt for pediatrics, and as you can see कि top 100 में सिर्फ 2 लोगों ने pediatrics choose किया है, जिसमें से एक मैं हूँ. So हाँ, मैं थोड़ा सहमी हुई थी कि क्या मैं ठीक decision ले रही हूँ. So while I was returning back to home from market, this scene out of nowhere, after so many years, it flashed in front of my eyes so vividly, so clearly, कि उसके बाद I stopped doubting my decision. I was so elated. मैं खुशी खुशी घर आई and I told everybody in the house. पता मेरे साथ ये हुआ था class 8th में. So I believe in this line from तारे ज़मीन पर कि दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, which literally means कि this world is staged for you, wherein you are the main character of your own story and only you are meant to travel this journey. Nobody else can take it from you. ठीक है? If you're not able to connect the dots today, you will be able to connect them tomorrow. A lot of students ask me, ma'am, should we take a drop or should we settle on the branch that we are getting, which is not our dream branch? I always tell them, ask your brain, ask your heart, are you ready to trail through this mentally and physically exhausting journey once again? Are you ready to face the conclusion? If the answer is yes, then great, go for a drop year. But if not, then you can settle on the branch that you're getting and it will be in your favor. अगर आप किसी भी चीज में अपना पूरा मन और हार्ड वर्क लगाते हो ना, nobody in this world can stop you from achieving heights. Nobody can do that. And to be very honest, now that I'm at this position, I can say it for sure कि do not take NEET PG to your heart. it is not life, as Zainab ma'am says. NEET PG is not life, guys. It's just another part of your life. It's just another hurdle. It's just an exam. Treat it like that, okay? It's just another exam of our lives. Please do not judge your worth on the basis of ranks, colleges. Please do not do that. It's not worth it, please, okay? So yeah, so this is me taking the leap of faith here, and I really want to put in my best yet again to this beautiful branch, and I want to keep that purity around me. So one of the doctors, he told कि बच्चे इतने प्योर होते हैं, they never present to you with chronic illnesses, ना CLD, ना CKD, they only present with acute illnesses, and that line, it touched my heart. तो इतना खुश हुई मैं ये सुन के. सो यू नो दीज स्मॉल इंसिडेंट्स, ये सब सोच के आई केप्ट पीड्स एट माई नंबर 1 प्रेफरेंस. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई वॉन्टेड टू स्टे ऑनेस्ट टू इट. जब मैंने पढ़ना शुरू किया था तो मैंने पीड्स को ही दिमाग में रख के पढ़ना शुरू किया था कि मुझे एक सीट चाहिए पीडियाट्रिक्स में. एंड नाउ बिकॉज आई गॉट मोर देन वॉट आई आस्क्ड फॉर, so I did not want to turn my back to it. I wanted to stay honest to it. So this is me taking my leap of faith, and yeah, I really hope ki the efforts that I'm going to be putting, they are fruitful. And to be honest, even if my service, it helps tiniest bit to the society, then I will be very, very grateful. And this is what I want in life right now, and this is how I chose pediatrics, or I can say the other way around, this is how pediatrics chose me. So this is Dr. Brahmjot Kaur, a budding pediatrician from Lady Hardinge Medical College, Delhi. And I feel very proud to be announcing this, and it really feels like a dream come true. Congratulations to all of you who have gotten seats, and those of you who have decided to drop, then it will be in your favor. Keep reading, guys. Keep studying. Keep putting in that hard work. जो भी होगा हमारे favor में होगा, जो भी होगा अच्छा होगा. So yeah, that is all I wanted to say. All the best.